Hey guys, Endzone here. We're going on the Endzone, and today we're gonna get to another video by one and only Daily Dose of Internet, and this video is called Gorilla Checks on Injured Bird. He's a doctor, man. He's a doctor.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This bird flew into the glass window and got hurt, so this gorilla ran over to make sure it was okay.
He's a doctor. The gorilla's like, is this some
My goodness.
Wait! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
He's trying to get it to go.
He's trying to.
This person climbed to the top of this mountain in Switzerland and got this incredible shot.
Oh wow! Yeah. I hope he doesn't fall and die. Holy shit!
This is what a beaver sounds like.
What is it? That's adorable.
This is what the northern lights look like in real time.
What? Oh my god, that's amazing. That's cool. A rose, folks. Nice. Yep. Yeah.
This is what happens when you jump on a ship that's going over large waves.
What? I didn't get what? 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 What?
Syrup, which is the stuff you will find in your favorite sodas, such as Pepsi, Coca-Cola, or Sprite.
Good. Oh.
I wanted to let everyone know that I do have a gaming channel now called Daily Dose of Gaming if you wanted to get to know me a little better as a person. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Yeah. Okay, guys, if you like this video, just give it a like, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on the socials, which will be a lot. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.